2014 onwards, I've been in HR trying to figure out things for people and how to make it happen. Also, what happened in the midst of it in 2014, I was working on wood. So, uh, so wood was, this table is quite new. There, I had to build my own piece of wood in my house. So I built a table. I watched YouTube for a lot of videos and got into making woodworking pieces because I had a fascination for it. So I did woodworking for a couple of years before I realized in 2017 that I was seeing people's skills while I worked on wood. It was almost as if I knew who was doing the right thing and who was doing the wrong thing. So I called for, like skills, just seeing their skills, knowing what they were doing, knowing what they were handling, how they were handling, and all that came with it. And and then I called for CVs. I called for CVs and I started evaluating CVs. And that was the beginning of the whole process. And in 2020, I figured it was time to make it count. But